ஹாய் கேப்ரிகான் ஓகே நம்ம இப்போ வந்து பார்க்க போகிறது வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா லவ் ரீடிங் வந்து பார்க்க போகிறோம். திஸ் இஸ் அ ஜென்ரல் ரீடிங். இட் மே ஆர் மே நாட் ரெசோனேட் பேஸ்ட் ஆன் த zodiac sign. கேப்ரிகானுக்கு வந்து நம்ம இப்போ வந்து பார்க்க போகிறோம். And if you do not have any idea what is tarot is about, there is a link in the description box which will help you to understand what is tarot is all about, and that is also my Instagram page. If you want to book a personal reading, a personal reading in பார்த்தீங்கன்னா we will do it based on your நேம் அண்ட் டேட் ஆஃப் பர்த். அதில் இன்டெப்த் ரீடிங் நம்ம வந்து பண்ணும்போது உங்களுக்கு பர்டிகுலராக வந்து பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு நிறைய ரெசோனேட்ஸ் ஆகும். பட் இது வந்து நம்ம பேஸ்ட் ஆன் த ஜோடியாக் சயின்ஸ் வந்து பார்க்குறனால சில விஷயங்கள் ரெசனேட் ஆகும், சில விஷயங்கள் ரெசனேட் ஆகாது. இப்போ உங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு சுத்தமாக ரெசனேட் ஆகலை அப்படின்னா யூ கேன் ஸ்கிப் த வீடியோ. ஓகே, personal readings are chargeable. You can WhatsApp me or you can DM me through my Instagram, and you can follow me there in my Instagram page. Okay, let's begin for Capricorn love reading. I'll be doing the present situation and the immediate future, how it will be அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு வந்து நம்ம பார்ப்போம். Capricorn, what is the present situation for love reading for Capricorn? Present situation for present situation for Capricorn love reading. Okay, I can see the growth in your relationship. Okay, there is a growth is happening in your relationship, but at the same time I think you're doing a lot of anxiety, fear, sleepless night is going through, because this love thing is, it could resonate to the people who are in love, who are already married. அவங்களுக்கு இதெல்லாம் வந்து பார்த்துட்டிங்கன்னா ரெசனேட் ஆகும். ஸோ வாட் டஸ் இட் மீன் அப்படின்னு வந்து பார்த்துட்டிங்க அப்படின்னா நம்ம ஒவ்வொரு கார்டை வந்து இப்போதைக்கு கிளாரிஃபை பண்ணலாம். பட் பேசிக்கலி நம்ம கிளாரிஃபை பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி பார்க்குற விஷயங்கள் என்னென்னா, இட்ஸ் டெஃபினெட்லி டெஸ்டிங் யுவர் பிரேவ்னஸ். ஓகே, இட்ஸ் பீன் வெரி மச் சேலஞ்சிங் இட் ஃபார் யூ, பட் at the same time something is going to end, something new is going to begin. Okay, maybe, and also I see something communication, it's going to happen very very soon, and the love is okay. Either if you are not in love, or if not love, I could see a person, it could be also coming into your life. Choosing him or not, it's up to you, but I can see a person with full of love is waiting for you. Could be a girl or could be a boy. Okay, but நம்ம வந்து என்னென்ன கார்ட்ஸ் வந்திருக்கு சொல்லிட்டு கிளாரிஃபை பண்ணலாம். ஓகே, why the strength is here, why the strength is here, why the strength is here, why the strength is here for Capricorn, why the strength is here for Capricorn. I think many people are single. To be love reading அப்படின்றத விட many people are thinking, and you're looking out for the proper love. If you ask me, if you're looking out for proper love, and even if you're single, you're enjoying your own independence. But some people are desperately looking for love. You're being very, some people are very bored out of being single, and you're enjoying your freedom. அதெல்லாம் வந்து இருந்தாலும் some people are very bored out, and you're looking out for proper person in your life, for a proper person in your life. But maybe for some of the peopleக்கு இப்போ ஒரு ஏதாவது ஒன்று வந்து ரிலேஷன்ஷிப்போ சம்திங் would have ended, end ஆயிருந்திருக்கலாம். ஸோ that some people are enjoying your own time, own freedom, own independence. Some people are doing that. So but at the same time you're worrying about the past which has happened too. Why the Nine of Swords is here? why the magician is here. See, everything was fine in your relationship, everything was good, but a change has happened in your relationship, and that is what some people would have ended. The relationship would have ended, and someone is waiting for you. I feel like someone is waiting for you, or new people would be coming in, but you're going to accept that person or not, that is totally up to you. It could be through alliance, or it could be through love, or anything it could be. um, Definitely, ரொம்ப சேலஞ்சிங்காக இருக்குது உங்களோட லவ் ரிலேஷன்ஷிப் பார்க்குறச்சே. ஐ ஐ கேன் சி வெரி சேலஞ்சிங், பட் யூ ஆர் டூயிங் யுவர் பெஸ்ட். Okay, you're the one leading this relationship. If you're in a relationship, you're the one reason for this, you're the one carrying this relationship, if you ask me, than the other person. Because from the other person I could see it does not seems to be very much interested, not being very emotionally involved. Why the deck is here? Yes, definitely I could see a relationship would have broken for some people, and some people are regretting for that relationship would have broken, but I feel like you're enjoying your own days, or in the relationship. People who are in a relationship, you are not that much happy because there is no response or no emotional involvement from the other person. I feel like this is ending, or some people could have ended. Why the King of Cups is here? Why the King of Cups is here? There is no proper balance. I could see the cups, I could see the either, but still, if you want to improve, if you want to work on it, that is totally up to you. But நம்ம immediate futureல அது எப்படி இருக்கு அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு பார்க்கலாம். But currently the situation is right now வந்து பார்த்துட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா, there is no emotional involvement or something like that. One person is doing good job, but not the other person. Okay, show me the immediate future cards for Capricorn love reading. Show me the immediate cards. Show me the immediate future for Capricorn love reading. The Five of Pentacles is here. At the end, I see there is no improvement in the relationship in the upcoming days, also because one person is leaving the other person because of the argument, because of ego, because I always win, you have to always lose அப்படின்ற மாதிரி. But they keep watching you. Okay, it's like stalking. It's like they are stalking. And even if you leave the relationship, or if the relationship also been left, but the person is watching at you, they have an eyes on you. But if you, it's like, is she or he the person for you? I don't think so. Why the High Priestess? Because the person always wants to win. They are not aware of give and take. Okay, they always want to win. They are not the one to live the life. They want to win the life. So this is what it is for you. Why the High Priestess is here. So yes, see, the person is leaving. The person, I think it's better for you to be alone. I think some of the people are enjoying your own solitude or alone life. Let it be there, because if you believe that person though so strong, if you believe so, you can do it. That's up to you. But this is what the scenario is. You cannot always, there should be a proper reaction from their side also, but I don't see the a proper reaction, because this person is always in a defense mode, always want to defeat you. This is what it is, okay? Always winning the argument, communication issues, all those problems is so this is what it is. It's spread on love.